Jin Liancheng.
I'm Owens.
Hi, I'm Yiren Zhou.
I'm Collin Sager.
Our group is 2065. First of all, I'm going to be presenting the problems. So from our observation, there's few problems presented in the video. No doubt about it. Putting on the surgical gloves can be a tricky situation because our hands carries bacteria and other sources which can contaminate the gloves. So we can't touch the gloves directly. And from our observation, there's a gap between the glove and the ground. So when nurses try to attach the gloves and the ground together, the contamination are easily created. And I'll show thing in the video, the tight gloves opening. It's very hard to put your hand in this tight glove opening.
Alright, so some other problems that we've noticed is, if you remember the video we watched in class, it's very time consuming, even for a professional nurse to be able to get ready for surgery with all the preparations they have to do. And it took her about 2 minutes to put all of that stuff on, and she does this for a living. So you can imagine how hard it would be for someone who's just starting out. And if they do mess up, they have to go and be sterilized again and start the process all over again, which takes even more time and isn't very efficient.
So for our ideas, we thought if we wear gloves after wearing the gown, that will waste too much time, and it's hard, and also it's hard to do that. So we just thought, can we mix them together, just like this one? So we mix the gloves at the end of the sleeves of the. You can see this. You can thought this as a gown, and but we just maybe we change it, and it will not open from the back. So I will show you how to use our product. As you can see, when you open the package, our product should look like this. And what you need to do is just put your hand inside of the packet, and then just like wear the clothes, and then and you can see from here, your hand will not touch the glove, and then you can pull them up like this, and also this hand. And maybe let's just wear this like a wear shirt. So you will not use your hand will not touch the outside of the gloves, and also you can wear both the gown and the gloves. So that's our ideas.
Alright, so the advantages of this design is that first, it's very simple. The gown is just connected to the gloves at the wrist, and they're packaged inside out so that when you pick it up, you can't contaminate the outside. It's a very simple process to put on. You put it on like you would normally a gown or a shirt. It's one step instead of many, as seen in the video played in class. Another advantage is that there's a complete barrier between the hands and the patient. There's no gap in between the gown and the glove at the wrist because they're connected by adhesive. So when you put the gown and glove on, it's impossible to contaminate the outside. It's fast. There's minimal training required just because it's so simple. And this also makes it cost effective because you're not wasting a surgeon's time because they're very expensive. And it's very minimal additional manufacturing costs just because you only need to attach the glove to the gown with an adhesive.
So as you can see, it costs about $4 for us to make one of these. So to start off, we would make 1,000 of them, and we would need $6,000 in funding for research, so that's about $10,000 total overall.